Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see today, I have more Ferrari from Tomica Premium today. So before I get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate it. Thank you very much. So you can see here, this is a Ferrari Testarossa in 3 different colors. This is a premium Tomica Premium regular release in red. This is the first release in white, and being the yellow one is a Tomica shop exclusive. So for this Ferrari, it's same like the rest of the release of Tomica Ferrari in Japan. It's only exclusive to Japan market. So if you want to get it, you have to get a parallel importer, which you might have to pay a little bit more than the regular price. Being the white one and the yellow one will be more expensive. Although I believe the red one is still easily available. So let's take a look. The first one, Ferrari Testarossa in red. So just at the back of the car, you can easily recognize Testarossa by the side fin here. It is quite iconic. The 5-star spoke racing wheel. So this is the front part, and again this is a Tomica Premium line. The headlight can be turned on. Take a look. Okay, now it's better. So this is the red Testarossa. Now this is the white Ferrari with the red box. This is the Ferrari license. And if you notice, in fact, the license is, although it's Ferrari, is still produced under Maison Brago. So let's open this up. One. There you go, the white Testarossa. Okay, the front, on the right side. Okay, the rear of the car. Simple detail inside the car. On the side, and the chassis Testarossa in white. So the last one, which I believe will be the more expensive one, Testarossa in yellow, Tomica shop exclusive. Okay, so this is yellow Testarossa. Detail wise, I would say definitely cannot beat the Tomica Limited Vintage New, which also just released the F40 and Dino 246 GT GTS. But for the fraction of the price, actually this space is not too bad. So I like this one. If you are a Ferrari fan, I would say that you should go and try to find this and keep it as a part of your collection. These are quite a, actually it's quite a good edition if you are Ferrari collectors. I mean, this is my own opinion. So let's take a one final look at these three together. So what do you think? It would be nice if they have a green, so I can put it, arrange it into, you know what, Italian flag. So there we go, red, white and yellow Testarossa. Tell me what do you think in the comment below. And I think that's it for today. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Once again, see you soon. Bye bye.